Welcome to DimeStack, where smart money meets simple advice. Hit that subscribe button and grow your money the smart way.
The misconception that starting a business is an immediate solution to career dissatisfaction is common. There may be more effective paths to achieving financial freedom than immediate entrepreneurship. Exploring alternative strategies can provide a more sustainable route to long-term financial independence. Entrepreneurship involves significant risks, as evidenced by struggling small businesses and empty storefronts. Failed startups illustrate the potential challenges and uncertainties inherent in launching a new venture. The realities of business ownership often differ from the glamorized image, highlighting the need for careful planning and resilience. The timeline begins with a low-wage job, representing the starting point of the wealth creation journey. Transitioning to a tech company symbolizes career advancement and increased earning potential. Investing in real estate serves as a key step towards financial independence, culminating in travel and financial freedom. Identifying personal talents is the first step in career development. Researching high-demand skills is essential for career success. Corporate jobs can serve as valuable training grounds for acquiring marketable skills. Building a website is a foundational step in establishing an online presence and generating income. Content creation, including blog posts and social media updates, drives traffic and engagement, essential for affiliate marketing and freelance opportunities. Affiliate marketing and freelance work enable scaling income streams without requiring a full-time job commitment. Consistent investment in exchange-traded funds, ETFs over time, can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. Compound interest allows earnings to generate further earnings, accelerating the growth of investments. ETFs provide a diversified investment approach, mitigating risk and enhancing the potential for long-term gains. Starting small allows for gradual skill development and manageable risk. Smart investing can provide passive income streams and long-term financial security. Prioritizing time freedom enhances overall life quality and strengthens family bonds. Identifying a wealth-building superpower skill is crucial for financial success. A marketable skill possesses high demand and offers substantial income potential. Choosing a skill that is enjoyable to learn and master ensures long-term commitment and expertise. Corporate environments offer valuable training and experience applicable to entrepreneurial ventures. Skills acquired in a corporate setting can be leveraged for side hustles or independent projects. Corporate training provides a foundation for developing entrepreneurial capabilities and independent income streams. Building a website is essential for establishing an online presence. Websites can generate passive income through various monetization methods. Effective website design integrates user experience with monetization strategies. Content creation encompasses diverse forms, including writing blog posts, producing videos, and designing graphics. Strategic content creation attracts a target audience and fosters community engagement. Effective content creation can be monetized to generate income through various platforms. Affiliate marketing involves earning commissions by promoting products or services of other businesses. Affiliates earn a percentage of the sale price as a commission for each successful referral. Affiliate marketing provides a performance-based revenue model, aligning incentives between businesses and marketers. Freelance platforms offer opportunities to earn income by providing services to clients. Freelance gigs span a wide range of skills, including writing, design, and programming. Freelancing allows individuals to offer their expertise directly to clients seeking specific services. User-friendly tech tools like Canva enable the creation of professional quality content through intuitive interfaces. Task automation is facilitated by tools like ChatGPT, streamlining workflows and increasing productivity. These tools democratize access to professional content creation and task management, regardless of technical expertise. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, holding a basket of assets like stocks or bonds. ETFs offer diversification, reducing risk by spreading investments across multiple assets instead of concentrating in a single one. ETFs typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds, making them a cost-effective investment choice. Compound interest demonstrates how small investments can grow substantially over time. The key to compound interest is earning returns on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from prior periods. Consistent reinvestment of earnings accelerates the growth of the investment. Investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs can be a strategic approach to building wealth for real estate investments. ETFs offer diversification and liquidity, which can mitigate risks associated with direct real estate ownership. Long-term planning is crucial when using ETFs to accumulate capital for real estate ventures. A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on specific life goals. The process of creating a vision board involves selecting images and affirmations that represent desired outcomes and aspirations. Regularly reviewing the vision board reinforces goals and enhances motivation towards achieving success. Monitoring investments is crucial for tracking progress and making informed financial decisions. Regularly reviewing investment performance enables timely adjustments to optimize portfolio returns. Informed decisions based on data analysis are essential for successful investment management. Prioritizing personal relationships is essential for overall well-being and happiness. Meaningful experiences with loved ones contribute significantly to a fulfilling life. Investing time in family fosters stronger connections and lasting memories. Starting small and taking incremental steps is crucial for achieving financial goals. Consistent, small actions accumulate over time, leading to significant financial progress. Breaking down large financial goals into smaller, manageable tasks makes them less daunting and more achievable. Continuous skill development is crucial for personal and professional growth. Expanding knowledge enhances adaptability and innovation in dynamic environments. Investing in skill development ensures long-term relevance and career advancement. Informed investment decisions are crucial for maximizing returns and minimizing risks. Diversifying investment portfolios helps mitigate potential losses by spreading investments across various asset classes. Balancing risk and return through diversification is a key strategy for long-term investment success. Financial freedom provides increased time freedom, allowing individuals to allocate time according to their priorities. Reduced stress is a key benefit of financial freedom, as it alleviates concerns about financial obligations and uncertainties. Financial freedom unlocks increased opportunities for personal and professional growth, enabling individuals to pursue passions and ventures. This scene serves as a call to action.
Hello, aunties and uncles! Please subscribe to this channel. I will be very happy. It will help us to create awesome content for your viewing pleasure. It will also help our channel to grow. Thank you!